How to create a moving photos like this. It is easy. I will teach you how. First is open your Canva. Right now I'm using desktop, but you can also do this in your laptop or tablet or any mobile phone. And then first that we need to do is click create and then select any blank template. So for this tutorial, let's use this video landscape, and it will give you a blank page, a white page. Now click element and then look for the quarter circle and then select all the four quarter circles that you have there, and then arrange it like this one. Make sure that they are on the same size and on the same distance. Just do this quick. Okay, another one is this one. And last one is this quarter circle. Let's just move it a little bit. Highlight everything and then click group. And then do this. Okay. And then put all the products or the 4 products that you want to be in that quarter circle. So for me, I'm going to use the available products that I have here. And then you can choose any pictures that you want. If you don't have anything under images, you can just click this upload and then get your pictures from your device. So now let me put this one first, and then another thing, this bottle of grapeseed, this bottle of crypto, and this bottle of virgin coconut oil, and then arrange each product like this. Right? Okay, another one. And last one. Now let's make it bigger. There we go. A bit bigger. And then let's arrange it like this one. Now let's make it a bit bigger. Okay. Now let's put on some text. First is this Ultimacy. Click on text and then change the font to Anton. And let's type in Ultimacy. There. Ultimacy. Okay, let's make it bigger. Okay. Now let's duplicate this window. Click the 3 dot and then click duplicate. There. Then let's move this item. Okay. And let's change this one to grapeseed extract. Now let's make the font smaller so that you can see all the text under this picture or this photo, the grapeseed extract. Okay, let's make it a bit bigger. There. And then again, let's duplicate. Click 3 dots and then click on duplicate. Okay. Now let's use the other product, which is the virgin coconut oil. Type in there virgin coconut oil. Okay, now let's duplicate again. Duplicate and then rotate so that it'll go to the next product, and type in there Cryptorgan. Alright, and now let's put on some transition. Okay, let's go back to Ultimacy. Here, in between the Ultimacy and the grapeseed, there is a plus sign and then there is a forward arrow. Click that forward arrow to add transition and select. Let's select the transition, match and move. Alright, let's do that to the other product, the one between grapeseed and virgin coconut oil. Click add transition, click match move, another one, click match move, and you will have something like this. Alright, okay, so that's it. You now have another project. So if you want to know more tutorials like this, okay, follow our page or follow our channel. Subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you on our next tutorial.